Welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Statute of Limitation and Eligibility. All of these laws that allow dependents to file wrongful deeds should have status of limitation. If you lose a loved one to a maritime job, make sure that you file your claims in a timely manner. Each law has its own statutes of limitation that determines when you are no longer eligible to file. Make sure you know when your time will run out so that you can take advantage of the law and get the money you are owed. There are also eligibility requirements for these laws. In addition to the time frame limitation, the benefits allowed are limited to dependents, children, and spouses. Ex-spouses may not seek compensations. Family members other than children and spouses may be eligible for benefits if they were financially dependent on the deceased. This could include siblings, grandparents, and others. And then next about finding representations. When you lose a loved one to the maritime job, it's a difficult situation. You have experienced a personal loss, but you also have practical matters to consider. It isn't easy to navigate the world of maritime law. Even if you were not grieving, it's important that you find a good lawyer to represent you and to help you file your claim and make your case for compensations. With an experienced maritime lawyer, you can rest assured that you will be eligible, that you will file before the statute of limitation runs out, and that you will get as much compensation as you deserve for your terrible loss. And then next about offshore injury and accident lawyers. Maritime workers aboard ship and vessels at sea are not the only people in this industry who take big risks and find themselves injured on the job. Offshore workers also face major risks and hazards on the job. If you work offshore on an oil rig or platforms, you have a dangerous job. Accidents on this work site are not uncommon, but they can be serious, even fatal. If you have been injured on an offshore job site, you need an experienced offshore lawyer to help you make your case and ensure you get the compensation you deserve. There are many maritime laws, and to navigate them takes knowledge and experience that only these specialist lawyers have. A professional with this specialist knowledge can guide you, represent you, prevent you from making mistakes, and help you get the money that will get you back on your feet. And then next about offshore worker and seamen. An offshore injury or accident could occur on offshore platforms and rigs, but it could also happen on a ship at sea. There are several different maritime laws that cover these various situations, and only an experienced lawyer can help you decide which law cover you and your situations. For instance, if you work on a platform or rings, you don't qualify as a seaman, but you are covered by the Outer Continental Shelf Land Act or OGCLA. This law acts like a type of the federal workers' compensation and was created to cover those workers not qualifying as a seaman or harbor workers. If you do qualify as a seaman, which means you spend a significant portion of your working time on a vessel in navigations, you are covered by the Jones Act. An accident that occurs on your ship offshore that causes you to be injured qualifies you to recover damages through this law. Offshore accidents then may occur on continental shelf platforms, permanent structure, or moving ship. In either situation, you need a lawyer versed in the laws that apply to offshore accidents to help you navigate the system. And then next about types of offshore accident and injuries. Working offshore is dangerous and risky, and there are many different possible situations in which you could be injured or even killed. An offshore injury lawyer can help you with any of these situations. For instance, you may have been injured in an accident that cannot be blamed for anyone's action. You may have been caught in bad weather aboard your ship and thrown from a staircase that was in good working order. Your lawyer will help you figure out how you can get compensation, even though there is no negligence involved in the accident. True accidents with no negligence are not that common. Unfortunately, in most cases of offshore accidents, precautions taken by an employer could have prevented you from being hurt. For instance, your employer is responsible for making sure a ship and all of its equipment is in good working order, that safety equipment is available, and that all workers are trained to do their job. If an employer neglects to do something and that leads to an accident. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget give like, comment and subscribe.